Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 20 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find sound and vibration. Now we have to scroll down again to find this kind of ringtone section, and as you can see, we can change the ringtone for the first and the second SIM card, but also for the notifications and the alarms. We've got the differentiation between two different SIM cards because we can use two cards, and you can simply set totally different ringtone for the first SIM card and totally different for another one, which is quite cool option, I would say. So let me show you how to do it using, for example, the first ringtone. It will work, of course, the same with all other options. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've been transferred to the full list of available ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, at the very top, we've got this option None, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not notify you about the incoming call by using the sound. So it's up to you if it is useful or not. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of this list, we've got the Add Ringtone option, which simply means that after entering this option, you will enter your own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded, and of course, if they will be compatible, they will appear somewhere here or in another folder, for example, in Downloads, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to the defaultly installed options, and basically all you have to do in order to first of all listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it. So let me pick this hasty, and of course I've got the device muted, so let me unmute it. Something like that, maybe. All right. Let me... Okay, here we've got the ringtones. Okay. All right, I know. Okay. Okay, so as I said, just tap on it, and you will be able to hear the ringtone, the particular ringtone. And if you like the particular option, if you want to set it, for example, in my case, it can be primitive tribes, just make sure that the option that you use is marked and go back. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied and immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your INFINIX Hot 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.